No. I'm going to give a demonstration of ways to avoid food burn, as I've learned to call it here. This food is spicier than I was expecting it to be. So, typical meal, we have a banh mi. This banh mi is bread in Vietnamese. It's one of the only words I know. So this is a very cheap meal. You can find them everywhere. It's street food, and they're different depending on where you go. But the one thing a lot of them have in common, we've noticed, is that they're too spicy for me to eat. And this makes Ryan cry because they're very inexpensive. I would say about $1 a lot of times for each person. So I've learned that the important way to deal with this food burn issue is to carefully inspect the sandwich prior to eating. So you open the sandwich is step one. Then you have to look, and it's taken me a while to figure out what the peppers look like because they're different peppers and they cut them differently, so you just never know. But we have found a lady just down the street that Ryan prefers to deal with, and we have gotten to identify her peppers as being long slivers, and there's usually only one. So we open this up and you look through it. I can see already that this top piece right here, that's gonna hurt. So we take that out. Very careful not to touch the face, especially not the eyes. And then we just keep looking here. Usually she does only one. I was surprised yesterday when I went through and there was a different one that I thought only used 3 peppers sliced like this, but I found a 4th and it was too late. By then the damage was done. Also, water does not help. So we're gonna just keep looking through the banh mi until we've cleared the way basically to avoid the food burn. So I'm just looking through there. You've got to be pretty careful because they hide. I don't know what any of this is, by the way, but normally it's not too risky unless it's looks like a vegetable. Okay, so I'm thinking we're good with the peppers being removed, and like I said, we're used to this one lady, and she usually puts 1 sliver down the middle. So then we can close the banh mi, and we can eat the banh mi, and usually be assured that the food burn will not occur. The eyes will not water, the throat won't seize up, the saliva won't start sticking in there and choking, and I won't have to spend 15 minutes with my mouth open like this, unable to swallow or breathe, sometimes occasionally bending over and spitting depending on where we're at. So wish me luck.